Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up Binance Pool on Binance app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to tap on Funding in the top and here you are going to see the option of Pool. So you need to tap on Pool and then you will be redirected on the Pool page of Binance. Now over here, you are going to see a bunch of different options, but first, you will have to add your name into it. For that, you need to tap on Account Overview section and then you are going to see this human icon in the bottom. So you need to tap over here. Then you can provide your mining account name. So in this section, you just have to give your name. After that, you can add any remark if you want to. Then you need to select the default algorithm for this mining account. Afterwards, you need to check the terms and conditions and then you need to press the create button. This way, your account will be created and you are going to set up the Binance Pool on Binance app. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.